got it.
Well, Happy New Year, stock traders, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Wednesday, January 3rd, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, clearly the biggest news of the day Tuesday was the closure of the New York Stock Exchange, as well as the closure of the Nasdaq, the commodity markets, and the Federal Reserve in observance of President Ford's passing. While the first trading week of the year may be a short one, it may help determine whether the stock market's record-breaking run will continue or melt down in 2007. The next 3 days will be filled with data on employment, the manufacturing and service sectors, and sales figures from retailers and automakers. These will provide clues to Wall Street's big question: is economic growth still cooling, or is it starting to heat up? Investors will get a final tally on holiday sales this week as retailers release December sales figures amid concerns that heavy promotions used to lure customers will actually cut into profits. Most U.S. retailers report December sales on Thursday, while electronics retailers Best Buy Corporation Incorporated and Circuit City Stores Incorporated weigh in with their sales on Friday. During the last trading week of 2006, despite thin holiday trading volumes, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose above 12,500 for the first time after a promising report on new home sales suggested the economy may be turning around. If the first week of January brings good news, the Dow could hurtle further into record territory, extending its fourth quarter rally. Hearty economic growth may not line investors' pockets, however, as it may lead the Federal Reserve to believe Americans can withstand an interest rate hike. Such a move by policymakers has the potential to stop the market's rally because of fears that higher rates will crimp consumer spending and deal a further blow to the housing market, which is already sagging, by making mortgages harder to pay off, and we can all relate to that. Recapping our small cap headlines, here's the movers we're watching intently in 2007. Nascent Wine Company, who's seeking to become one of the largest food distributorships in Mexico, announced that it has signed a letter of intent to acquire a Mexico-based food importing and distribution company, making Nascent the first nationwide distributor of imported foods in Mexico. Universal Travel Group announced this month they have been awarded the Best Cooperation Award by the Shenzhen Civil Aviation Cares Company Limited, or Shenzhen Civil Aviation, for the third consecutive year. Congratulations. Subsurface Waste Management of Delaware announced that its Mexico subsidiary company Environmental Tech International has accepted an offer by the state of Puebla's Secretary of the Environment and Natural Resources to open its headquarters office within the state's department offices in the state capital of Ciudad Puebla. And that's it for the newsmakers. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, be sure to watch for the Quality Stocks daily newsletter available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. We're happy to see you back here. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you here tomorrow right on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You've got it.